Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some clearing conditions across the region currently. Have been able to cancel the lightning warning and advisory that was out earlier for the thunderstorm that moved through earlier this morning. Going to see fairly good conditions for late this morning, warming temperatures in the 80s. We'll see a chance of some scattered isolated thunderstorms as we move in the afternoon hours today with a cold front approaching the region. But overall, going to see some humid and warm conditions today, and then we'll see that chance of some scattered showers, thunderstorms for this afternoon. Our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,500 feet. Winds are light in the low levels into the mid levels, seeing winds generally out of southwest to west around 10 to 20 knots, and seeing our winds increase at 20,000 feet up to 47 knots out of the west. Currently looking at our surface analysis, you're going to see that trough continue to move off the coast, and we'll see a cold front move through for later this afternoon, giving us a chance of some isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, we do have that shower activity off the coast outside the 10 nautical mile range ring this morning, and continue to see some clearing conditions this morning, as I mentioned, and then once we move in the afternoon hours, already seeing some cumulus field develop off to our north and west, and that's going to be our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see here once we move into this afternoon that shower and possible thunderstorm activity developing across the region. Here's 2 o'clock this afternoon. The HRRR does develop a thunderstorm over the area, so we'll continue to monitor the showers, thunderstorm for this afternoon, issuing any advisories or warnings needed. And for the evening and the overnight hours, we'll just see some very isolated showers or possible thunderstorms off to our west, and not expecting that in the region for the overnight hours. Saturday looks like we should have a dry day as that cold front pushes south of the region. Very slight chance of pop-up shower across the region, but overall looks like a good day, lower humidity values, and a pleasant weekend in store. Across region Sunday looks like much the same. Very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, but overall looking at those chances less than 10%. We'll see less humidity and some more comfortable weather for our Sunday. So taking a look at the European model the next few days, you can see there's showers and thunderstorms for today, and tomorrow possibility of sea breeze shower pop-up across the area, but overall most likely not going to see that across the region for Saturday and Sunday. Monday looks like the chances increase slightly up to about 20%, and a Tuesday as well as we see more humidity move in the region, a weak trough across the area. So we'll have some limited lift as well as some moisture, so could see sea breeze showers and thunderstorms across the region. Looks like we could have a shower thunderstorm late Tuesday as well, with a weak trough getting a bit closer to the region. Overall, once we move into late next week, we're going to see the heat and humidity increase across the region, and looks like we'll see some days in the 90s with heat indices near 100 degrees. So it looks like back to the hot and humid conditions if we see a reprieve from that this weekend. Before today, we'll see a high around 89 degrees. Heat indices in the upper 90s looks like for this afternoon. A low tonight of 71. We did see that thunderstorm in the region this morning, but looking like we'll have green conditions for late this morning, and then yellow conditions for a 40% chance of a shower or thunderstorm for this afternoon into the early evening hours. Our winds are going to be off the land this afternoon. That's going to allow those temperatures to move up into the upper 80s, west-southwesterly around 7 to 12 knots. And then overnight we'll see north-northwesterly winds take over post-frontal at 5 to 10 knots. So looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, should see VFR conditions unless we have that shower thunderstorm in the region today. 20% chance from now until noon, but it looks like that atmosphere has stabilized with those thunderstorms moving through early this morning. So going to continue to see that chance for this afternoon at 40% from 12 to 1700 local. And looking like just anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. Good amount of upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Saturday and Sunday, green chart across the board. Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy, very slight chance of a pop-up shower, less humid, high of 85. Saturday night, mostly clear with light winds, low of 69. And for Sunday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and seasonable, high of 86 degrees. Next 7 days, we'll see those good conditions for the weekend, and then seeing those chances of pop-up showers, thunderstorms for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 20%. The heat continues to increase throughout the week of next week, seeing 87 on Tuesday, 90 on Wednesday, and 91 on Thursday. And it looks like we're going to introduce a pattern for late next week into the weekend with some hot and humid conditions continuing. So probably see those heat indices over 100 for a few days late next week into the next weekend. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today and a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.